Hello, Wrangler World. I'm Mark Cantrell with Wranglerfix.com. Thank you very much for your purchase, and here is your PCM installation video. First, disconnect the negative terminal on your battery. This vehicle is equipped with a negative quick disconnect. Remove the 3 bolts connecting the PCM and then carefully remove the plugs from the PCM by pressing the CPA connectors and gently pulling each plug out. Then remove the old PCM and install your Wranglerfix PCM using the same bolts, hand tightening each one and then using your wrench to finish the tightening. Lastly, snap each connector back into place, listening for a distinct click, reconnect the negative terminal, and then fire up your Jeep. All of our PCMs are plug-and-drive units and take less than 5 minutes to install. In the event that you should have any questions or technical issues, we are always here and a click or a call away in the event that you should need us. I'm Mark Cantrell with Wranglerfix.com. Not only do we think outside the box, we take the box and make it better.